Hi. In this video, we will see how to delete many chats inside ChatGPT at once in bulk. See, I have opened ChatGPT here. And I have many chats that I have accumulated over the years. Now, I want to delete all these chat threads. But there is no option to delete them all at once. To delete a single chat, one has to click these three dots. Then select the delete option. And then click the delete button. So 3 clicks to delete a single chat. Now imagine how much time it will take to delete hundreds of such chats. So I thought there must be a simpler way. So I googled ChatGPT bulk delete extension for Chrome. Then, click this link. It will work for other browsers as well. Don't worry. I'm on the Opera browser. Such a page will open. See, a verified developer who has created such a browser extension. OK. Click the Add to Opera button. If you are on Chrome, you will see the Add to Chrome button. Then click the Add Extension button. The extension is now added to my browser. To open the extensions in the Opera browser, I have to click this button here. In Chrome, this button might be somewhere else. See, the extension is listed here. Now, open the ChatGPT window. And click the extension. You will see such a menu box. Here, click the Add Checkboxes option. See, it will add such checkboxes near the chat threads. I have selected 5 of those checkboxes. Now, open the extension again. And this time, click the Bulk Delete button. See, the chats are getting deleted. Now, an important point. There are hundreds of such chats here. I'm not going to select their checkboxes one by one manually. Instead, I will click this Toggle Checkboxes button. See, all the checkboxes are now selected. Just click the Bulk Delete button now. All the chats will be deleted one by one. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.